What's up everybody, Cilinix Crypto here. Are you tired of missing opportunities and losing money while trading in these markets? Then I might have the solution for you. For those of you who don't know, we run the Cilinix Crypto Signal and Premium group, in which I not only share my own trades, so profitable signals, but I also give you 24/7 mentoring to actually become a better trader yourself, and you gain access to a trading guide with multiple strategies and basic beginner tricks to actually become a profitable trader yourself. If you're interested in that, links will be down in the description or in the pinned comment, and make sure to check that out right now. If you join through Telegram, there's actually a limited time only lifetime offer in there as well. So check that out and hopefully we will connect. Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this daily update right here on World Liberty Financial. We're going to do a full update. By the way, if you're new to the channel, then if you want to be updated on World Liberty Financial, I'm continuing daily updates for now. And there's some quite interesting things going on, so I wanted to talk about that. I have some opinions on this. We'll look at the order flow to actually see what's going on there. So in the end, I'll hope to provide you with as well of an analysis as I can. So let's get right into it. We had some news over the last 24 hours, which honestly, however you see it, is quite bearish. And then I'm obviously talking about the Justin Sun allegations, who was the biggest buyer, I think, of the World Liberty Financial pre-sale. I think he held like $200 million unlocked of WLFI. And what happened yesterday is that he started moving tokens around from addresses that probably belong to him, also deposited into HTX, which is Huobi, which is his exchange, which then transferred to Binance, which, just to be fair, and look, I'm a little bit biased, and this is my personal opinion, but I personally don't like Justin Sun too much. I think he holds too much power in a lot of things, and I think the Tron blockchain, it's probably technologically great, but I've always seen whenever I helped people that were scammed or something, they very often use Tron. All right, it's a blockchain that's used by a lot of scammers. So I personally don't like it, and just by buying so many tokens, I don't know. He's had things where we sold a lot of tokens before. But that's my personal opinion. But then his tokens were frozen. All right. Now, why I say that there's no winners in this? First of all, the price of WLFI has been relatively stable. We got a bit of a bounce here from 16 cents. We dropped down a bit lower over the course of yesterday, which was expected. Got a bit of a bounce, so that's good. Got a bullish divergence here as well. Ultimately, do I think it's likely that we're going to fall lower still? Yes, because I think fundamentally there's no winners. Like if they unlock the tokens by Justin Sun, I think that there's a decent chance that he's going to sell. All right, and if he's going to sell and he has millions and millions, the liquidity of WLFI has decreased quite a bit. It's not low, but it has decreased. So that will have a market impact, and obviously other people could sell because of that as well. But if they keep them locked, I mean, then they're just locking tokens of someone who bought the pre-sale. That's not good either, all right? You don't want to be known as a project for being centralized like that and doing things like that. I mean, why would you then buy the token? It's not really, I don't know. It's not great, so that's why I'm telling you, I don't think there's any winners. And then if we take a look at the technicals, what I told you yesterday morning is that I think we're going to drop down lower. I think the fully diluted valuation is still too high. If you take a look at the project and the Trump premium, like it's a Trump affiliated project, so then it's obviously valued higher. But it still has a fully diluted valuation of $18 billion. It still has a market cap of $4.5 billion. I'd say that's too high. And then if you take a look at the funding rate, the funding rate is not negative or anything. So there's no real incentive to go long or to liquidate the shorters, and then I personally also don't think that so far we've seen any reason to suspect a recovery here. No reclaims, no momentum. I think it's quite likely that we're going to spike up to fill some of those imbalances towards 20 and 21 cents, but from there I do think we're still going to drop down lower. We might remain stable here for some time, but I think we're going to drop down into 15 cents, and from there we'll see how the reaction is. I mean, we could form some sort of a bigger bullish divergence. That would be great, but otherwise I think we can also drop down into 12.5 and 10 cents, but I'll keep you updated on that, of course. This is what I think you need to know for now, fundamentally and technically, so hopefully that helps. But that's it for now. Thank you for watching, everybody. If you're trading other cryptos, by the way, we have some major news with the non-farm payrolls and unemployment rate coming out today, so be careful. It's going to be quite a volatile day, even though I don't think that WLFI will be directly affected by that. So that's just in general. Hopefully it helps. But those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, everybody, and bye.